Hey guys, it's Jonathan Miller here. Hope you guys are doing well. So the other day I went to the press day at the International Auto Show in New York at the Javits Center. It was my first real international press day that I ever went to at any car show or gathering. So it was pretty exciting. It definitely was a different crowd than going to the regular car show. Lots of film crews and camera crews and crazy camera rigs. It was pretty interesting to see all the corporate guys there. So I had a really good time. It was a great experience. So I got a lot of footage, a lot of pictures, a lot of videos for you guys. So I did post online to see if you guys wanted a really long video with everything or if you wanted me to split it up. So I think this consensus was to split it up. So that's what I did. It's actually going to be in 5 different videos. So this is video number 2. In this video, I looked at the Jaguar and Land Rover booth, Volkswagen, and BMW. Check out the video, let me know what you liked, comment below, and enjoy. So we're at the Jaguar Land Rover booth. Here's the F-Type SVR titanium exhaust. Starts that thing 122 grand for almost 600 horsepower. I mean, that's an unbelievable bargain. This one has a carbon fiber roof. F-Types are probably one of the best sounding cars on the road. This was just introduced last night. F Pace SVR 550 horsepower V8 supercharged. The guy told me 80 grand. I mean, you can't beat that. 0 to 60 in about 4 seconds. You're good. Here we have the Rover Sport SVR, the optional carbon fiber hood.
That's all I can say.
This blue is also, I think, a $4,000 option.
I really didn't need a couple extra horsepower, but it was something nice to have. Lighting kind of stinks.
Here's the $300,000 Range Rover 2-door.
Look at this one.
Here's a new electric I Pace. We're at the Volkswagen stage. They just unveiled this new Atlas pickup truck, which I'm being told will be a US market car. So would you buy a Volkswagen pickup truck over a Ford or Chevy or Toyota? I don't know what motor it will be running. Probably not a V8. Lots of people here. They just had the press conference. Here's the new Atlas Concept 5-seater. It's got a nice profile.
Yeah, it is.
And we're getting past more.
His camera is better than my camera. It's called the Atlas Cross Sport. Volkswagen Arteon. assuming it's like a Passat replacement. R-Line spec. I think you want to get used to this new grille design from Volkswagen. The Touareg's gonna have the same, the headlights flow into the front grille. So I'm at the BMW M stand with a fire orange M4 convertible. And we have a nod back to the E36. Jaguar yellow M3 looks awesome. I don't know if this color is going to come out. It's a very pale, non-metallic yellow.
I've seen a lot of those on the road.
And we've got the new M5 in this not very attractive matte maroon. So this is the new 600 horsepower BMW M5. Now features a carbon fiber bubble roof. Let's take a look at the interior. It's very typical BMW, nothing too fancy. This is an M5 first edition, one of 400. BMW has also gone away from the dual clutch to automatic. Here we have the BMW M2 in white, looks good.
Which one is this one?
Orange is really nice. They're showing some cool colors. How about this green M6 Grand Coupe? Like a British racing green.
Yeah, I know, right?
Upstairs, we've got an M1 race car. So I really hope you guys enjoyed those videos from the New York International Auto Show 2018 from the Javits Center. Let me know in the comments below what you liked, what you didn't like, what you'd like to see in the future. Please subscribe and like the videos if you enjoyed them. Take care. We'll talk to you guys soon.